Hattie, man. I went and got another saw today. Upgraded from the small one to the big one. MS 250. These pine trees right here, as y'all can see, is blocking my view of my stuff. Let's get the cut. Y'all see that? Yeah. I ain't even got down this part yet. But we can see over there now. Got my boat up under there. But yeah, septic tank right here. Yes, sir, ski. So what I'm gonna do is, once I move all these trees, all these pine that I just cut down, I left the stump. I didn't get all the way down. Y'all can see some of them stumps. Why be complaining about them stumps? But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get lower to the dirt with it. You know what I'm saying? I had to duck and dodge these trees. I'm gonna close that in though. I'm gonna chop all that down. I should be a guy doing tree forestry. For real, no kizzy. You feel me? Thinking about turning that shed around towards it. Therefore, when I close it in, I have that for like storage of parts and stuff like that. But I really want to turn this that way. Therefore, I can just drive up in there.
Little baby pine. Hold on, babe. I'm trying to move this one out your way. That thing gonna make you tired. Yeah, there was a whole line of these pine trees here. Out of gas?
I said a good little bit though.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna be able to finish.
We ain't got no gas? Oh dang, why you tell me I was just out? Yeah, I know, that's why I was saying, why you tell me? I sure would've got some. And this one, you got the axe on the back?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. Cause that one is cut, but it's not cut all the way through, so chopping with the axe, it'll come on out, I guess. Then been over here cutting. Cut them up. No, I was telling me you been over here cutting. Whew.
She out here working with me, y'all.
Oh, I already had this one. You put this one up?
No.
Oh.
Y'all see? Y'all go back to when we first started this. All this had trees. Every last bit of it was treed up. I'm out here looking like sweating like a Hebrew slave.
They gotta go to that clearing the land.
Oh yeah, y'all gotta go to clearing the land. Y'all see. wife, she back. Help me put this stack, you feel what I'm saying? All them trees, look at them roots. I see these stumps. I gotta come back and cut them to the ground, all on. But I can see my little thing, I'm turning to a little shed or a barn, whatever. And we can see the car.
Go to the, got the keys in this and switch, really?
You got to count them, y'all. Get it. We getting it. Shirt wet, you feel me? Stop playing. She want to count the stumps. So now we'll open it up from that, all of that, to all over here now. You feel me? These stumps, I'm going to cut them with my chainsaw. They all over the ground. You see what I'm saying? I ain't get too low, but I'm going to get them to the dirt. Do you think I can dig them up?
I mean, you could try to see how extent the root base is, you know. But if not, we just, you know, cut them down.
What the hell is that? Watch out, man. What's that? Yeah. You got to get it. But yeah, we made it clear out there. That's our other power. Put solar panels up there on the roof. I think I'm going to do that.
Oh, yeah, because the sun real good over here.
Put the power wire running out of the ground right there. Dangerous. Now, ain't no power is off, but dangerous.
Yeah, come on back. You got it, babe.